Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, what is the first negative term in the arithmetic progression 78, 71 and 64? Now, from the given sequence, we can find first the first term a equals to 78. Then common difference will be 71 minus 78, that is minus 7. Let the first negative term of an AP be n. As this is negative, so this is less than 0. Now the nth term of an AP is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. So it is less than 0. So a is 78 plus n is, as it is, minus 1 into d means minus 7 is less than 0. So it is 78 minus 7n plus 7 less than 0 means 85 minus 7n is less than 0. That is minus 7n is less than minus 85 means n is less than, as this will be positive, so that equality will change, that is n is greater than 85 by 7. That is n should be greater than 12.143. That is, that nth term means negative term will be the 13th number. So the 13th term will be negative, as it is greater than 12.143. So our correct option is option D.